Hi, it's Shelley here from Client Nectar, and today I want to talk to you about how to freshen up your LinkedIn profile with a new look using Creator Mode. Now, if you haven't heard about Creator Mode, this is a new piece of functionality or a new feature from LinkedIn that has been rolled out to most users over the last coming months or past few months. And so you should have this feature so that you can turn it on if you want to. But first of all, let's tell you a little bit about what Creator Mode is so that you can know whether it's something you want to turn on or not. So first of all, Creator Mode is great for you if you are a creator, if you're someone who is creating a lot of content and wants to build a following. Because what happens when you turn Creator Mode on is that actually LinkedIn will then change the little button on your profile to follow as opposed to connect. People can still connect with you by clicking more and then clicking connect, but it's going to really prioritize you building followers over connections. Secondly, LinkedIn with Creator Mode is going to help you get discovered. So what it's going to do is allow you to be eligible for search and discovery, coming up under certain keywords so that people can find out about you and they can follow you. So it's going to help you to build followers. And thirdly, with Creator Mode, it prioritizes on your profile your content. So the elements about your activity and your featured section, your content that you're sharing, that all comes above your about section. So it's prioritized. So you're pulling people to look at your content first. And so therefore it's helping you to establish your voice, and it's helping you people to see, to engage with your content more. So let's have a little look at what this actually looks like in practice. I'm going to show you one of my clients' profiles, so who has switched on Creator Mode. Okay, so let's go on to LinkedIn. And this is one of my clients, Valerie Ritchie Littler, and she has decided to switch on Creator Mode. And so what is different on her profile is normally I'm already connected with her, but normally you would see a follow button here. And of course, with more, they can follow underneath there as well and connect underneath there. But normally you would see a follow button here. What we are also seeing is the hashtags that she is, which is the focus of her work. So it says talks about, and then these 5 hashtags. So you can add these hashtags that you want to be known for, or you want to come up under to your profile. So it's easy for people to search for you and then follow your profile. Okay, and if we scroll down, what you'll see is that the featured section, highlights and then featured sections coming up here first. And then activity. So again, this is like how her engagement on LinkedIn, what content she's sharing, what she's commenting on. And then we get the about section. So you'll see it's the other way around how it normally is. The about section usually is straight after the person's headline. But here what we've got is the about section is after all of the content pieces. So you can see here, featured section, and then the activity is coming before the about section. So this is a major difference with the creator mode versus not having the creator mode on. Okay, so it's really helping you to build your followers. So let's have a look. How do you switch on creator mode? Well, all you need to do is go to your profile. And it's very easy. You simply just come to your dashboard section here, and you can just click creator mode. It's currently mine is off, as you can see, but if you want to turn yours on, you just click next, and then you just enter the 5 hashtags that you talk about or that you want to be found under, you want to be known for, and you can get creator mode switched on. And then of course your profile will be changed to reflect that it's now in creator mode. You will have the follow button more prominently displayed than connect button, and you will also have the different order and layout on your profile. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that little run through of how to freshen up your profile on LinkedIn by using Creator Mode, one of the new functionality or features that LinkedIn is offering. And please do go check it out. All right, bye for now, guys.